some Spanish food, some rice, a salad. I forgot the salad dressing. So I got Spanish food, I got a salad, some plantains. You know Spanish people always give you a little salad. Pork and some beef, I think. And onions and peppers. I'm going to put some of this on the plate real quick. I got some chicken that I cooked earlier myself. Let's just move this food and put some on this plate. Because I'm hungry. I'm going to eat something real quick with you guys. This rice, enough to feed a nation. Who they think could eat all of this? This rice. Nobody. Put that chicken over there. I'm gonna eat that, guys. I made a video and had some chicken earlier. I've been in a video making food today. I do like Spanish rice and beans. I don't think we ever had Spanish food on the channel. I'm gonna leave the salad just right in that little dish. Put some beans on this rice. Oh, that was a lot. A little salad dressing. Guys, I've been doing good. I think this is the first meal I ate out in a while. Been cooking. I got that tooth out of my mouth. I was okay. Let's say grace and eat. Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive to nourish the body for Christ's sake. Amen. Bless my family. Bless the homeless, sick, and shut in. That everyone is thankful for a meal. Oh, God. I didn't turn on the mic or nothing. I hope this is going to be loud enough on my phone, guys, today. It's always something. I don't know about some plantain. I just never tasted plantain that tastes like this before. I'll finish this video up. You say you don't fear nothing, but do you ever find yourself saying you trust in God, but you're still fearing things? I think I might have to get those out of my mind, because you're going to trust God or you're going to fear. It's one or the other. You can't have both. So, got some lime. I guess it's for the meat. The plantain tastes not sweet, but like they needed to fry it a little longer. Also some peppers in here. Even if that was liver, I would eat it. It tastes like they already sprinkle some lemon or lime on it already. I know that's a big old thing of water. I be drinking that whole thing in the nighttime.
Guys, my camera stopped and I was almost finished anyway. So like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos always. Guys, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos.